One of the parishes in Shillong Archdiocese, Seng Samla Catholic Solait Parish, concluded their Silver Jubilee celebration on Sunday. The Silver Jubilee celebration was concluded in a grand manner, with interactive sessions conducted for 3 consecutive days, starting from Friday last week till Sunday. On Sunday, the Jubilee program started with the Holy Mass, with Father Edward Sten as the main celebrant, along with Father Leo Yaubor, parish priest of Solat, Father Sherman Kongshay and Father Benser Karsati, followed by the youth conference at 2 o'clock. Different speakers came to share their insights on different topics, with Dr. Bremley W.B. Lingdor, who spoke on the environmental issues.